Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MieshaLave, and today I'm going to show you guys how I got this very natural, similar to a half up, half down, but I'm going to do 2 braids in the front and then half down in the back. Now I want this to look very, very natural, so I'm only going to be using 1 bundle with this look. Now I did not double any of my tracks. I wanted this to be very, very flat. I want it to appear as if it's my real hair. So I'm going to be sewing the bundle into my hair. I'm not going to use glue just because of personal reasons. I'm against glue in my own head because I'm tender-headed and I just ain't got time. So I said that to say, if you're thinking about doing this hairstyle, I recommend, if you are glue friendly, to use glue and cut your tracks, because as I stated, I want this to look very natural, and that will make it so flat and it will look so natural. Like, so many people have been asking me, is that your real hair? And I'm like, no. And I feel as if I would have did it with glue, they wouldn't have to question it. They'll be like, sis, what are you doing? They got your hair so long. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Welcome, sis. Welcome to the sisterhood. We're popping over here. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And don't be shy. Leave a comment down below. Say hi. I reply to everybody. And if I don't reply, I make sure that I acknowledge you with the heart. We're finished, and now I'm just gonna cut off the excess, and I hate cutting off extra hair. If I can fit it in, I'm gonna try to fit it in, but since we're going with the natural look, y'all, look how thick the ponytail is, and it's just thick enough to appear as real hair. And I'm just gonna do 2 feed-ins in the front. I didn't want them to be very big. I don't want them to be very small either, so I just did them like a natural size will work best for me. And yeah. this is such a simplistic hairstyle and I love it. It's about to be my new go-to hairstyle. It's quick, it's easy, but we're on the last braid and I'm gonna touch up my hair off camera. I'm just gonna put some gel around my braids and do my edges. And I'm also gonna flat iron my leave out. Comment down below if you like the finished look. Also give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is MieshaLave_. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.